if you're experiencing payout failures on Tugboat Logic, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue efficiently. Step 1. Check payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the src.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review account status. Confirm that your account is in good standing. Check for any notifications or alerts that might indicate issues with your account that could affect payouts. Step 3. Inspect transaction history. Look at your transaction history to identify any recent failed transactions. This can provide insights into whether the issue is isolated or part of a larger problem. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Tugboat Logic's customer support. Provide them with details about the payout failure, including any error messages you received. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep track of your inquiry. Follow up if you do not receive a timely response or if the issue remains unresolved. By following these steps, you can effectively address payout failures and ensure smoother transactions in the future.